Alright, so what I did do today is I cut up the logs that I do for these tests. I cut them down to a certain height so that I have a new surface for some of them. One log is completely gone because it was short, and I had like an inch left of space, so that's no good. So one of the logs is now going to be burned. But I cut up the ends of my test logs and use the model number 262-20. This recip saw goes to 3,000 strokes per minute, and I got this pretty hot. I think I got it to smoke a little bit because you don't use this type of saw for something like this. You use a chainsaw for this. But first, I tried the Ryobi chainsaw. This thing sucks. Alrighty, so let's see how this is. This is garbage. See, and that's what happens when you can't cut it in one shot. You end up going in a spiral. So yeah, this completely failed. This is way above its pay grade. All right, so let's continue. Just once in a while, you gotta stop and adjust it. It's not a problem. And yes, once again, this is safe. I'm not in danger in any way. The worst thing that's gonna happen is I bend my blade. Nope, not a single hint of burning smell on the Milwaukee. This thing is awesome. Should be the last, and it cut almost perfectly straight. Almost. There we go. Wow. Doesn't smell like it's burning. Wow, look at that. It did it. And this is my biggest one. It did it. And the cut wasn't that bad. Seriously, it's not a bad cut. So yeah, I just wanted to do this quick video. So as you can see, I'm going to take these down and get rid of the garbage. But it did a fantastic job. Didn't even plan on filming this, so I said might as well. So that's pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button to be notified of future videos. This is David Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.